AP here. Just got finished installing the Chamberlain MyQ Wireless Garage Door opener. Got it synced up to my Whisper drive. Here is the MyQ receiver, acts as the garage door opener. So basically what happens is when I press this button on my iPad here, or any mobile device, sends a signal to my wireless hub here to either open or close garage door. That's simple. So check it out. Shows that the garage door is open. Let me hit it. Since the garage door is going down, it's basically giving off an alert that the garage door is fixing to go down. And bam. Done deal. It'll go off, alarm will go off. There you go. So now, this is basic Wi-Fi connected. I can open and close this garage door from anywhere. And if you look at the device now, it shows that it's closed. And it gives you a time. It's been closed for, what, 18 seconds? So now I don't have to have a garage door opener. Here we go. Because it is freaking hot in here. Let's open the door up. And booyah. There we go.